In this video, we will explain the meaning of error E7 in different air conditioner brands. The error code E7 may indicate that the indoor and outdoor units of the equipment are in different modes. This indicates, for example, that the outdoor unit is in heating mode, and at the same time, the indoor unit is in cooling mode. To correct this error, sometimes referred to by some brands as mode conflict, you can try resetting the unit by disconnecting the power for several minutes. If the error persists, additional issues may need to be addressed. Here are some things you can try. A. Check the communication between the terminals of the indoor unit and the outdoor unit. B. Verify the electrically connected cables from the inside to the outside. C. Check if the communication or signal cable is disconnected or damaged. D. Set it to a mode, either cooling or heating. Some of the brands involved with this meaning are Carrier, Samsung, Train, Gree, Midea. The E7 error can also indicate communication problems between the internal and external units. In this case, the E7 error code appears due to failures in the electronic boards of the internal unit, like the external unit, which can be caused by loose cables, incorrect connections, or failures in either the internal or external units. Some of the brands involved with this meaning of the E7 error are Haier, York, Mabe. To solve this problem, the following steps are suggested. A. Disconnect the equipment from the power outlet, and wait approximately 10 minutes before restarting the air conditioner. Then, verify that the E7 error has been eliminated. B. Check the cable connections between the outdoor and indoor units, ensuring that there are no loose or damaged elements. C. Review the wiring of both units, releasing and checking one by one, especially those connecting the internal and external units. In case of damage or burning, replace them with new cables. D. If any damaged circuit board is identified, it needs to be replaced. Now, let's focus on the study for other brands. In Electrolux, the E7 error code in a portable air conditioner means that the interior motor has failed. In Fujitsu, Mirage, and some Midea models, the E7 error indicates a short circuit in the exterior coil thermistor. For the brand Panasonic, the E7 error means that the outdoor unit has sent a fault to the indoor unit.